welcome to Hyde Park Winter Wonderland. It's my first time ever here and I'm very excited. I've got my wristband, I'm waiting to see how long it takes until I get haggled by security. But we had to queue an hour to get the media pass thing, which was a pain, but we're in. We're finally in. It looks very cool. There's a lot of great rides here, but first priority is Olympia Looping, obviously. Oh my god, it's beautiful, look at it. I can't wait for this. We've already pre-booked 3 rides on it, but we might even get some more. I mean, yeah, that was very cool. Really intense. I wasn't expecting it to be that intense, but yeah, wow. It's aged well, it's really smooth. I'm tearing up. Yeah, it was really, really good. I can't wait to get back on that later. Back row was very fun. The restraints a bit crushing, but yeah, hoping to get on the front row later or somewhere else in the train. I just want to get back on it. We're going to go on Wildemaus XXL now. This thing looks great. I can't remember if I've been on a clone of this. Was it Bobby on Land? It might be a smaller version, but yeah, always happy to get back on a Wild Mouse. They look great. Ed Euromouse, is that you? That's terrifying. What the hell are these things? Whoa! Whee! If I fall in this, I swear, oh no, that's the wobbly one. Thanks for letting me know. This is horrendous. Nope. This queue is so weird. Whoa. Whoa. We're on Wild Mouse XXL, let's go! Whoa! Wow, I think I might hold on to my back. Whoa! Whee! Any brakes? Nope! Ah! Whee! Oh no! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Whee! Some of the transitions are awful. It's almost painful. Wow! Woo! Whoa! Oh, that was awful. Well, that was pretty crazy. It was certainly wild. It was extra large. That was crazy. I got flung around loads. You can probably see in the POV, so it's so hard to keep the camera still. That was crazy. We're going on the Euro coaster next. This thing looks next level jank. It kind of looks like a Zampola Volare, whatever they're called, but even more jank if that's possible. I'm going to give it a go. that thing. It was a bit weird. It didn't really do a whole lot. It was very jank. Yeah, it was kind of strange. The only part where it acted like a normal coaster, where it had like a proper bank drop and everything, was probably the best bit, but just those back and forth turns, it was so weird. I've already eaten like half of it, but this is the food that I got. It was from that place. It was £14, which isn't cheap, but it's very nice. It is 2 PM and it's already getting dark. It's absolutely crazy. We're back again from ride number 2. It is very busy. We're going to attempt to get front row. The ride-ups are very aggressive here. I got like thrown in my seat, it was a bit much. Oh, it's going to be so good. Whee! It's so cold. That did hurt. Oh, that was crazy. You can probably see from the POV that the rain was so painful, but it was running so much quicker. That was mental. I love that ride. Bumping into some people that like fans as well, which is really cool. Oh, I'm having a great day. We're gonna go give Ice Mountain a go now. This looks cool.
I almost slipped my jump.
What is that? Whoa! It's a big bag. It's a giant bin bag. It's like an actual big building. This is so weird. Oh no. No, we're not spinning yet. Whoa, lasers! Whoa! Oh, we're building at speed now. Oh no, I'm gonna get crushed here. Whoa! Wow, okay. Whee! Oh! The corners are lethal. Whoa! Whee! Oh! Ah! Here we go. Whee! Whoa! Whoa! Let's hope the chicken tenders don't come out. Whee! Whoa! This is so weird. Whoa, look, theming! Oh, it's so cold in here. Whoa! 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 Wow, that thing spun a lot, as you can see. I don't know how much the POV will be actually visible because it's really dark in there, but wow, that was crazy. Look at the size of this. How is this a travelling dark ride? It's crazy. Look at it. Wow. We're going in this now. We're back doing one of these things again. Oh no. Ah! Oh no. Do I just go through the middle? Oh no, we're running. Going for it. No! Okay. What the hell is this thing? Oh! Wow, look at the view from up here. This event is huge. Oh no, what have we got now? It's spinny floor time. Spinny floor time. We're going up again. How tall is this thing? Wow. Look at this. Whoa. Look at this. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Wow. This is a big mix of shit. Ah, I fell on the floor. There's more. We're going through a car wash. Ah. Oh, what? There's a surfboard. Ah. Made it. Woo. Completed. It's time for one of my most anticipated things in this event. This huge drop tower. I'm so looking forward to this. Here we are on the tallest transportable drop tower in the world. Wow.
We are all the way up. Let's do it.
Wow, the view's amazing. Yeah, definitely. Yep. And the rain. Oh, it speeds up. I'll launch it upwards.
Wow, look at the
That is incredible. I think it got flown into by a pigeon there.
view. Down the window.
I'm not.
I was not ready for that.
Wow, yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be this crazy.
No, we're still going up.
Oh no, yeah, we're not on the top yet.
This is very high up.
I'm gonna. Wow. Can we see Hyberia? It is actually huge, and we're still going up. We're not there yet. Whoa! That was amazing! Whoa! Wow, that was. Wow. It was crazy. 85 meters tall. Tallest transportable drop tower in the world. It was honestly incredible. The view from the top was amazing, as you saw, and the drop was really awful. It breaks quite late as well, which is great. It breaks quite late as well, which is good. We're going to get an Olympia loop in and then probably go because the rain is horrible. Doesn't the lighting look amazing on this? Got a last ride of the day, one more go at Olympia loop in, and then we're getting out of this horrible, cold, rainy day. Last ride, here we go. It looks amazing at night as well with all the lighting. Oh, the rain! So possible! Speed! Oh, my shoulders are already crushed. Crushed. That was crazy. I found Winter Wonderland complete for the first ever time. I absolutely loved it. Oh, the lighting looks amazing in this place. Well, that's it for Winter Wonderland. I really enjoyed that event. It was really fun. Don't know whether I'll be back next year. I don't know. I hope they had something different. Another coaster would be quite nice. Yeah, if they had something else, it'd be quite cool. But yeah, I think I've been pleasantly surprised by it, especially Olympia Loop, and it was really good. But yeah, it's quite expensive. Anyway, that was it. See you in the new year for lots more vlogs, I'm sure.